May 13th, 2025, Brownsville, Texas. What started as routine patrols escalated in seconds. This is real body-worn camera footage, official and unfiltered. Let's break down what really happened.
20K took off on foot. He's coming towards us, he said. What do you say about 20K took off on foot? He took off on foot?
They made contact in the alleyway.
Let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands out, I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side. Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him. He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey! Medic, give me a medic. Hey, he's been shot. I got.
Hey, put him down.
Hey, put him down here. Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Stand by.
Hello?
We have a laser here.
Dude.
Have no idea.
No, so, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him. Yeah, he's fine. I think he went through.
Put him on the recovery position. Bring him up.
Like here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah. He went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. All right, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Just,
I love
nah.
it.
Just understand me. It's okay.
I respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a
All
soldier.
right, that's fine. No, don't just relax.
You're good. I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like.
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good.
Well,
We don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
Fuck it. No, like we're in the thoracic box.
Yeah, we're good. Let's put a seal.
Just in case.
I know, brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're gonna pack it. I was gonna cover it.
Yep.
If anything, that's it. Only pack the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope. Yeah. So
Good.
seal it. You'll be
Right in the
good.
center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this one. All right, we'll go this way, buddy.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt on.
Sir.
Yeah, all right.
Sir. Y'all check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
Yep.
There's no.
Sir.
Yeah, all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good. Yeah.
Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else? Do you need any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant is sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. Hey,
Too bad, just cover it up.
hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped. I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him run.
They're going inside right now. They're checking it
But
out.
he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
You have one.
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're going to go. The ambulance coming right now.